Okay, hi guys, good morning. So today is October. Let's take a look. It is October 25, 2025. So it is the day passed so quickly. And as you see, guys, I already prepared um, myself or my face. Ayan, nakapaglagay na din ako ng eyebrow, lipstick, and eto na yung damit ko na susuotin for my duty today. So, ayun na nga, kakaalis na din ni Manang Babes. Ayan, so, one of my coworkers na isa din na natutulog dito sa room na to. But anyways, today yung schedule ko was 11:30 until 11 p.m. tonight. So, I don't have a lot of time for taking videos and for capturing every moves that I made or that I will make today. But yeah, here it is definitely different, guys, because we have already this rules that we are not allowed to use cell phone while working. So definitely I will leave this phone here on the staff house. But yeah, so actually yesterday walang masyadong ganap sa buhay, and ayan, it's very normal lang din. Um, and by the way nga pala, meron akong nabili. Actually, hindi pa siya nabili because it's just only installment. So, installment, it depends sa ano din siya, sa Palawan Pawn Shop. So, ayun, in-encourage ako ng isa kong kaibigan na kumuha din kasi bagay daw sa akin. So, it is an installment and it is something na 18 karat siya na um, earrings. And it depends kung kailan mo siya depends kung kailan ko siya ma-full. So, every month or the first month, the interest will be 1% according to the Palawan Pawn Shop na babae. And then, on the next month, and the rest will be 3% interest. So, yung original price ni guys is 20,600, and yung paunang bayad is 1,500. So, kayo na yung magsuma or kayo na yung mag-sum up kung paano and how. So, ayun, kung paano ko siya mahuhulugan, hindi ko alam pa. But anyways, ayun lang din yung ganap yesterday. So, ayun. By the way, meron pa rin ako mga clothes. Yung clothes ko na isinuot yesterday or 2 days ago. Ayan, habang natutulog. So, ayun lang din. And then the rest yung kanina or last night. So, ayun lang din yung labahan ko. So, it will save my hours and my stress. Of course, bago pa lang tayo today, nasa ano pa lang. So, it's my 4th or 5th day of duty. And, ayan, ang daming, there's, it is still the same as the before. But anyways, ayun, nagpagawa din pala ako guys ng resume. I mean, pinaano ko siya, pina-level up ko yung resume ko due to I need it, for the next few, well, I don't know yet, but yeah, I will need the resume. So, ayun, pina-level up ko din siya. So, actually, andito na din siya, but I cannot show it to you. So, sa akin na lang muna. And then, ano pa ba? So, for update, pala for Mila, ayun. So, we talked yesterday and it is actually mm, fine news kasi magkakaroon din na siya ng care, caregiver, parang something na gano'n. Basta yung mag-a-assist on what is the thing na he can do for this and for that. So, yeah, for about his health. But anyways, everything is fine, I think. And yeah, so